I'm so excited. It is a Hermes bag. Hi wonderful people, so today I am going to be doing a bag unboxing video and I'm really excited just because it's like Hermes and I'm really excited about this bag and this color just because this color is like really rare because I don't really see it that often, or like even when I like search it on YouTube, like nothing pops up for it for some reason. I don't know, maybe there is, but maybe I'm not like searching hard enough. But I'm really excited, so if you're interested, definitely keep on watching. So hi, my name is Derek. I do all things luxury related here on this channel, so if you like that kind of content, definitely subscribe to this channel and also press the notification button and also press the like button, because if you press one thing, might as well press the others because they're all kind of close to each other. So let's get right into this unboxing because I'm so excited right now. So I actually got it from Fashion File. This is what the Fashion File. Oh, this is like upside down, that's why. Okay, no. Here is the bag. Oh my god. And then like tissues, and then the confetti, and then the nail file, the infamous nail file that they always have, and then the receipt is in here. So I'm just gonna put this box down, and then I'm just going to take this. The sticker says new is the new. So let's take this out. I'm so excited. It is a Hermes bag in here and I'm so excited. This is going to be my first Hermes bag unboxing. I've done some like Hermes stuff before, but those were like little things, but like this is like a legit bag. So yeah, so I'm taking it out. And then tissue paper. I'm so excited. Oh, okay. And then the bag itself is in the dust bag. Ooh, you guys can already see it. Oh my god, I want it to be a surprise. But it comes with, okay, I'm really excited. So it comes with like this book thing on the inside, and then it has the raincoat, and then it has like that infamous like bed pillow thingy that's like made out of paper. So I'm just gonna put this box down and I'm actually gonna get right into the bag, and it already kind of like showed itself. So but yeah, so
ladies and gentlemen, her.
Pull it out and here it is. Oh my god, this is such a stunning little bag right here. It's actually not even little, but it is in, okay. This bag is like so beautiful and I'm so excited to add this to my color because I don't really have anything in this color. So okay, let me just get right into like the description and names and all of that stuff. So pretty much it is a Togo Kelly in the color Gris Perle. So it's pretty much a light gray kind of color. And it has gold hardware, and then it is in the retorn style. So pretty much the retorn style, it has like the stitching that are like on the inside instead of it being outwards, whereas like my Kelly over here, the stitchings are on the outside, making it more structured, boxy, and kind of more like has its shape. But this one is more a little more relaxed and a little more like easygoing and not that serious and not like that old lady, to be honest, because the Cellier style kind of looks like a little old lady bag.
I said what I said, okay?
But the retorn style, it's more kind of like casual and I can like grab it and like use it a little more often than the Kelly style. So yeah, anyways, it has gold hardware and I was really excited about this. Oh my god. Okay. I'm really excited that I had like the felt too when I got it. So pretty much I got it on Fashion File. So it does still have the protective sticker on this and right here, but then it doesn't have it on the shingles. I don't know what that's called, but like these straps right here, but that's totally fine. And then when I open it, it has the strap which is in here, so it looks like that. And then it also has the clochette and lock and keys right there, and I'm so excited about this bag. Oh my god, I've been dying to have a Hermes bag, another one in my collection. I didn't think I was going to get it this fast. So here it is with like the key bell and or the clochette and the like lock. That's just how I'm gonna like leave it on right now. And then the strap is right here, and then it also has the fashion file like certificate of authenticity, so it's right here. So once I cut it, it's mine, but I have 30 days to ponder on it if I want to exchange it or not. So yeah, here is my new Hermès Kelly bag. I'm so excited about this bag. She is literally so beautiful. So let me just kind of give you guys like a background story about why I wanted a Hermès Kelly or like an Hermes bag in my collection and how I got it. So I actually got it from Fashion File, and I've been literally just saving money and just trying to buy an Hermes bag. It didn't matter if it was a Birkin or a Kelly, it was just either one of those two. I had thought about getting a Hermes Kelly in like size 32 in the color lime and the Cellier style, and then also there was a blue Frida Cellier 32 on Fashion File. I'll kind of put pictures there, and then this had popped up out of nowhere one day, and I was pondering on the lime color for like the longest time. Literally my number one contender of getting that like bag, and then the blue Frida kind of popped up because I obviously really love the yellow, and then I like blue, but like I like their lighter blues, so like anything dark, like on the darker kind of blue I wasn't really a fan of. But when it comes to like lighter blues from Hermes, it just looks amazing. And my favorite color of all time is blue atoll, and then like blue broom, and then like blue pale. So like anything on that kind of like color aspect, kind of like the lighter blues that I really love. And then, I don't know, the blue Frida I was kind of on the fence with, but I would have gotten it. But I don't know, when this one popped up, like this pale, like gray kind of color, I was just like, oh my god, I kind of want it, and I ended up deciding to get it. It was a lot cheaper than the other two, and then it also had gold hardware, which the other ones had like silver hardware. So when I saw this, I was like, oh my god, I'm going to get it, and I got it. So I'm really, really excited about this purchase and to add this bag to my collection, because I really do love the Kelly style, and I love it just because it has the one handle, and then it also comes with a strap. And I don't know, like the Birkin, I'm probably going to add it in my collection a little bit later on, but I feel like I'm really happy with this Kelly bag and this one as well. So I'm just really, really excited about this bag, and I'm so just happy to add it to my collection. I already ordered a bag insert for this. It's probably gonna take a while. It's going to be like my first bag insert for any of my bags, because I don't know, this one's a little less structured. That's why I decided to get a bag insert. It's gonna come from Smorgon, so it's probably going to take a couple weeks. And right now I'm just rambling because I'm just really, really excited, and I just literally don't have my thoughts together. And again, I'm really excited about this bag, and yeah. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this unboxing video of my new Hermes Kelly bag, and I'm really excited and happy to add it to my collection. So hopefully you guys learned something new by watching this video, and have a wonderful day because you're wonderful, and don't forget it. Alright, bye guys.